All right, today we're gonna bring an RC Jeep, and this one has stabilizers in the bottom, shocks built in. It has 4 pins to remove the actual shell itself. It has LED lights that light up at night or in the day. It has real rubber wheels, if you guys can see it, and I've been using it. It's all, I've been going through the gravel and grass and so forth, and I like this. They're very flexible, all right? This is gonna help you stabilize going over certain rocks. The Jeep itself is very detailed, beautiful, nice, beautiful colors. They have different colors, of course, but this car looks fantastic as it is. The remote control, it requires batteries, 4 AA batteries in the bottom. Controls are simple. This is actually made of like a little rubber, like a simulating of a wheel too on the actual controller. You have the LED line that demonstrates it's on, the different powers and so forth, and the torques. So if you're stuck in a certain rock, just make familiar yourself how to drive this car. Very simple, just push forward and back. And that's how the car works. There's a battery right there. Battery goes in the back here. And this plug goes in between here, the red one goes right in here. So we're gonna set it up and we're gonna drive it around and see how it works. All right, just to let you guys know, when you plug it in, the power button is right in the corner right here in this little edge, all right? Just be sure that that's where the actual power goes on. You guys can see, look at the lights. Even in the daylight, you can see the lights on. Brake lights in the back. Brake lights in the back. Then turn it on the controller. Wait a while until you hear a beep. And when you step back, look at the lights go in reverse. They bright up like a different color. Use and drive. Obstacle courses, not an issue. Goes into pretty much a lot of bushes, if you guys can see that. Very durable. Durability is really good. It's not waterproof, so don't submerge the car, but it's semi where you can splash it around or go any kind of little ramps, if you guys can see that.